Kevin Kostoff and Derek Handley here with Kostoff and Company and Nova Home Loans.
As you can probably tell by the scruff on our faces, it's No Shave November. We're supporting men's health in November by not shaving all month.
While it was not our wives' idea to go have us do this, they are in support of our support for men's causes this month. So make sure to go on our Facebook page and vote for whichever option you want us to shave as at the end of the month.
We're a little concerned with some of the options out there right now. But hey, on a serious note, we're here to talk to you because it's been a couple of months since we've sent out a video. We've got a couple of really important items to chat with you about. Hey Kevin, risky credit is risky business with trended credit reports.
What?
I don't know if you guys have heard yet, but the credit agencies have changed from the past reports, which were a snapshot in time, to a credit report that is showing at least 12 months history.
Well, what's the difference now?
So, with the 12 months history, not only can we see the balances that you currently have, but your payment history. Are you paying more than the minimum balance? Are you late? Are you driving a higher balance at certain times of the year?
Well, credit report agencies can ding your credit in the past with just paying the minimum amount. So every time, please try and make at least a few extra dollars to pay your minimum payment if at all possible, because that's an easy way to keep it from being dinged. But what about the balance transfer game?
So you can do that now, and it's not going to damage your credit like it did in the past. In the past, it would show a really big balance throughout the month. Now, when you're doing things like that, it takes into account your historical payment pattern. So it shows you're paying that off every month.
Important to watch your credit, especially when you're buying a house. Keep these things in mind and pass them along to your clients.
Appraisals, Kevin.
Oh, I knew you were going to bring that up.
I love appraisals. Coming to a neighborhood near you, longer turn times and higher fees.
Oh, we're feeling that pain, aren't we? So what's the deal?
Well, we're facing a lot of challenges in Colorado these days, especially in the Denver metro market. The average age of the appraiser is over 55 years old, and you know how hot the market is. There just isn't enough time in the day.
Well, and appraisers have the strictest requirements to enter our industry. 4-year degree, 2-year apprenticeship, 24 hours of CE every year, and they're still being paid the same they were a decade ago.
So they have higher requirements, and they're still the lowest paid in the industry.
Yeah. Well, the home values are driving up, and appraisers are doing the best they can. They're kind of stuck between a rock and a hard place, but we're trying to work with them, and we're working together. And we are getting them done for the most part.
So what does that mean to you and your client? We really suggest 45-day contracts when possible. We know that you can't always do that.
Give us a call if you have something a little less. We can do some things. Sometimes we can pay appraisers a rush fee or
Wait
something
a minute, rush fee? That sounds like extortion to me.
We don't like that word, it's an ugly word. But it gets it done. In the end, simply give us a call before you write a contract. Let's discuss some dates. We'll try and minimize the cost to our consumer, our clients, and make sure that they can get through this process as smoothly as possible.
Thanks again, and we'll talk to you next week.